How you doing, everyone? We're going to have a really quick look at Farm, the Harvest Finance token. And just to say that for the last couple of days we've been tailing off and we lost 786, and we had a little back test at the low and we had a nice move, but it didn't hold and we were rejected at the 786, and since then we've been tailing off. Now I'm just going to zoom out to the daily, and I just want to talk about where we are and where we possibly could be going. So we have essentially wicked back to almost where the move began, and I believe our all-time low is 80.5. So even if it's not the all-time low, it is a current significant number for us, and I think we're going to get there. I think we're going to get there in the next couple of days, and I'll explain why in relation to Bitcoin. Now, obviously, from the information I've got, and I'm working from the Binance figures, from coin inception, we started out at like the $1,000 mark, and I'll just pull out to, well, monthly's too far, I'll pull out to a weekly just to show you the price action I have got. It's an unrealistic target, really, and we should be kind of accepting that the all-time high was at 387.20, because until we get to that sort of zone again, or even start pressuring at the 420 range, we need to focus on where we are, because we're struggling to hold 100 at the moment. So with that in mind, I'm just going to zoom back to the 4-hourly chart, and you will see that each time we've lost support, we've really tried to have a swing move, and we've been rejected. We've been rejected at the 618. Every resistance that we could have had, and I can't be bullish on Farm in the short term. I really can't. We're in a position with Bitcoin where we've seen a really nice protection bounce at the moment, but that's come through in the knowledge that we're going to move lower tomorrow. So what to look for now with Farm will be a tail off back to circa 85. That might be a sharp wick, but I expect us to tail off at some point. We may wick slightly higher, but essentially we're gonna get back to the 85 mark, and I expect us to wick below quite strongly and then have a very quick upturn. And yeah, that's essentially it, guys. That's how I see this one playing out. If we get rejected at 127, then we're going to be stuck in this channel between 80 and 120, and you'll see me draw a lovely little rectangle for the next video. But what to look for in the short term is a slow tail off back towards the 85, 86, and then I think when Bitcoin takes another dump, which should be its last one, but I'm expecting it to be pretty big, we're going to follow suit, and hopefully that will be brief, and then we'll see a nice candle which will put us back to the upside to at least 127, hopefully 150 plus. But just looking on recent price action, when we've looked like we're going to lose support, we have made an attempt. Whether we've held it or not, we've made that attempt. So that's what we need to hold on to in the short term, is that we are going to take a step back. We are going to follow suit with Bitcoin. We'll be very lucky not to, but I think when we do, that's going to give us a really nice bounce zone to continue higher. Alright, best of luck to everyone. Please remember to subscribe to the channel and like the videos, and I'll hopefully get a lot more content out to you shortly. Bye bye.